use the telescope, Tony. I want to look at the moon.
Hello, Jenny. Hello, Tony.
Hello, Gogo.
What's that?
It's a telescope. Do you want to look at the moon?
Yes, please. I like the moon. I want to go to the moon.
Oh.
Let's go to the moon. I like to sit in the blue chair.
Where do you want to go?
We want to go to the moon.
We want to go to the moon.
Look at the sky. The stars are very bright. That's the Earth. It's very small. I want to walk on the moon.
This is fun. Hello, my name's Gogo. She's Jenny, he's Tony. He can't speak English.
What are you doing, Gogo?
I'm trying to speak to him. His name's Blad. He wants to take our pictures.
What's he doing now?
He's going to get his camera.
Bye. Bye. I'm tired now. I want to go to bed. Wake up, Tony. It's time to get up. What's that? It's got 3 eyes. Oh, that's Gogo's friend.
Tappy, what's this?
I don't know.
Do you know, GB?
No, Gogo, I don't.
Pod?
Ooh.
It's a star.
It's a star.
That's the moon.
It's the moon.
That's the Earth.
It's the Earth.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the moon. To the moon.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the moon. To the bright moon in the sky.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the stars. To the stars.
Where do you want to go?